Have you heard that offline activities can improve your SEO, search engine optimization? That's correct. There's lots of stuff you could be doing offline to improve the discoverability of your web page, and I'm going to share with you today. You need to consider your community. You need to establish a community that goes beyond the website itself. Ideally, you'd like to have a group of people who are interested in the content, and this sort of community can be built within or preferably outside the website. There may be different social media groups where these people participate. There may be some offline presence. There may be a club, events that people organize or you organize for people. There could be some QR codes that are generated and that are spread in social media, in offline media, etc., which urge people to scan those QR codes and go to your website. All of these would help you to generate a community. An active community is vital for having an ongoing organic traffic to your website. The more people visit your website, the more Google and other search engines would recognize that the website is already validated by audiences as important. So community is important because it's a major boost of your search engine optimization, and it helps you add to the site's domain authority. Higher domain authority correlates to higher ranking. Higher volumes of high quality backlinks lead to higher domain authority. Backlinks are just bridges to your website. These are links that point to your website, but these are available on external websites. If you don't have backlinks, then search engines may never find your page, your website. So make sure you create a community with other website owners, community with people over social media, etc. This will help you with backlinks. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. You don't want to miss out on the content and the videos I've planned to be released in the coming weeks and months. There will be lots of videos on how you can get a business started, how you can improve the performance of your website, how you can improve the conversion rate, how you can market your products and services in the most cost-effective way. Lots of important and valuable lessons, and if you're interested in that, you've come to the right place. If I have missed a topic that you want me to cover, please comment down below and I'll be very happy to create a video on that. We can catch up in the next video. Until then, peace out.